Hey guys, I'm Chris K, and I'm playing games. And if that name isn't taken, I'm going to call myself Chris K Plays Games. Catchy. To start with, I had this video that I recorded showing my setup and all the stuff that I have and all the stuff that I'm going to do. And it ended up being like really long-winded. I'm like, I'm gonna edit this later, it's gonna be awesome. And I get to editing and I realized the card that had all the lots of cool stuff on it, well, it died. But then I thought, I'm like, it was really long-winded. And I'm not gonna worry about the fact that that's missing. I'm just gonna show you what I got now. And if you wanna see a little bit of my setup, well, here's about 30 seconds of that. Okay, there's my entire setup. Of course, my game collections. I've got my retro games, which we're going to start with, and then I have my PS2, PS3, which are also now retro, so that's great. Marvin and Crash Bandicoot here to help us out. And a couple other Genesis consoles. I guess if you're wondering what are in these, this is just like a bunch of stuff that a friend of mine gave me. Okay, I want to use these car controllers. Dagnabbit. I have some Genesis consoles. Controllers. I gotta test a lot of these out, find the good ones. I want to do some experiments with some of the ones that aren't so great. I have a Pong console, retro entertainment system, original PlayStation, other accessories, my PlayStation 2s. So after I got like my TVs and everything set up, I put my game consoles in here and then I started trying to get XSplit to work. I couldn't get it to work. I downloaded the drivers. That didn't work, so I downloaded like Video Capture for Windows because sometimes you gotta have that software in there. I don't know if that did anything. I downloaded Game Capture for Windows, the 64-bit version, and lo and behold, it's working. All right. Believe it or not, that disk error is a good sign because that's coming from the VCR into my adapter, into the Elgato, into the computer. And lo and behold, still doesn't work. All right. Refresh. Close this. I haven't updated XSplit Broadcaster. I mean, I got this badass computer. I mean, I figure why not do something badass with it, even if it is just Sonic Spinball. Alas. No hope. Then eventually, I figured it out. Okay, let's see here. Get rid of that. Oh, hey, check that out. Elgato Game Capture HD. That wasn't there before. Wonder when that showed up. What did I do? Why is it? Oh, okay. Are you done? Yeah, there it is. It's super hard to see. Yeah, so all right, there we go. So Genesis into the VCR, splitting off to the TV and to my AV adapter. And darn it, if these cords just don't want to stay put. Now, there's an Elgato under here. I just chose to like hide everything. And I got this neat little table at a thrift store. All my cords are hidden back there underneath the table. It's like just this awesome notch in the table. And everything just lines up perfect. So I just put everything right there. My computer's on top. I just got this awesome computer. It's the only thing that really costs anything here. monitor. That's the Elgato monitor. Yeah, we're figuring things out here. And the problem with the cords hidden is if anything goes wrong whatsoever, I need to tear a bunch of stuff out. Also, it's a bit dark in here for a studio, so how about some light, huh? Oh, Frankenlight. I call it Frankenlight. I have a few of these actually. For about 30 bucks you can probably make one too. Yeah, that'll do. There we go. This light here is a neat little yard sale find. Boom. Ain't that cool? Alright, so I figure it's not perfect. I just got everything set up. Making do with what I have, what I've built up over the years. I mean, even this monitor is kind of messed up. It's got some bad spots in there. But it's a kind of a neat setup. However I use it, I make sure I'm upgrading it a little bit every single episode. Now, what I'm going to start with is, for nostalgia's sake, just like my original collection. This was a hand-me-down Sega Genesis. This is the original one that I got when I was a kid, and I'm gonna be playing. Oh man, NBA Live. I don't like sports games, but if you grow up with a particular sports game, it still brings back like nostalgic feelings. So I'm gonna be playing some of these. I've got like WrestleMania here. That's one of my favorites. I've got Wheel of Fortune. You know, I played Miss Pac-Man. That's a newer game. That's not part of my original collection. This is my entire. Is this my entire collection? No, this is not nearly my entire collection. I've got Taz and Escape from Mars, and Marvin the Martian is here to help us play that. And I have, I got Toy Story. Oh, Buzz Lightyear should be here to help me play Toy Story. I'll bring him over. Don't worry. Sonic. I got a lot of Sonic games. I got my Sonic hat to help me play that game. We're gonna have some fun here, okay? We're definitely gonna have some fun. So I hope you tune in. I don't know how long I'm gonna play each game for. It's like if I'm not into it in the first 10 minutes, I'm just gonna say I'm out, guys. But if I'm like really into it, I'm just gonna keep playing for at least an hour pop. And if I want to come back to it and keep playing it, well, I'm gonna do that. But I want to get through all these games. I want to get a different game every single episode. So I'll come back to the ones that, like, man, I really want to come back to this one and play it all the way through. So there's certain games I'm going to want to really play, but some of them I'm just going to test out a little bit. So I'm going to go from game to game every single episode. If I'm not into it within the first 10 minutes, I'm just going to either move on or I'm going to call the show. And we're just going to upgrade. We're going to get longer episodes. We're going to get better episodes as we go along. So, you know, just baby steps here. I'm getting into it, though. So this is just my first setup episode. My next episode is going to be actually testing out the live stream, and I hope you enjoy it. As I develop an audience, I'm going to cater more towards what you want to see me do. And I'm never going to forsake the things that I know I really want to do. So you're going to see the best of both worlds. Hopefully, the best of what I like and the best of what you like. So we're going on this journey together. So like and subscribe and check out future episodes. I'm going to do live streams, I think. Yes, live streams.